Hi, I'm Okeme Isaac from Ultra Tech Systems. In this video, I want to show you how to assign random groups to a list. So I have names here and I have their serial number. So I want to just assign groups randomly to each of these names. What if I have up to 1,000 names? Will I have to just go over the whole thing manually, saying, okay, this is group A, this is group B, this is group C, this is group D, or group E? No, I'm just going to write a formula to do that. Okay, so I'll use the choose function. And of course, the choose function chooses a value or action to perform from a list of values based on an index number. So again, the choose function, and I'm going for the index number. For the index number, I'm going to use the round between. The round between function will allow me to be able to define the index number. So assuming I want to just assign, to various groups, let's say 4 groups, that's what's going to be the round between. And then for the bottom, it's going to be 1. For the top, it's going to be 4, because I'm actually looking at 4 different groups. Again, I'll close that, then comma, and begin to define the group. So if this is going to be group A, and this is going to be group B, and this is going to be group C, and this is going to be group D. So I'm just defining the group. Again, like here can just be anything, all right, but it has to be in quotes because these are strings. So what it's going to be team orange, team yellow, team white, team blue, team red, whatever it is. So again, I'll just close that and I press enter. If I double click here, you see exactly what we have here. We can do the same thing here by saying it's equals to choose, then the index number. I'm using the round between function. So round between 4 groups or 3 groups. Let's use 3 groups. So again, I'll say 1 and then 3, 1 for the bottom, 3 for the top. That's the index number now, comma, I'll begin to define the group. So here, let's say we'll call this Arsenal, for instance, and then comma, we call the next one Chelsea, for instance, and then comma, we call the next one Liverpool, for instance. So that's going to be the case here, and I'll just close it and press enter. If I double click here, we're going to have that to be. So it's very simple. This can actually be applicable for various occasions. You're trying to assign groups to members of a particular team, or you just want to do maybe for students, or whatever the case is, you just want to assign names in a list or data in a list into various groups. The same formula can be applicable. See you some other time.